Howdy folks, Cedar here, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about what is feast gear? Where have I heard that before, you may say, and what does it mean? So say that you've gotten invited to a pagan event, to a festival, or you've decided to attend a ritual, and the invitation or the email says, bring your own feast gear. So what's that about? Well, what the host is not asking, that you bring this. The host is not saying, hey, we don't have enough plates and forks for everyone to share, so please bring some. And the reason for that is that this sort of thing leads to this, right? So since we're talking about pagan events, and pagans are earth-friendly and environment-friendly people, then adding to the waste stream and adding to plastic production is not the goal here. So the idea is to hopefully leave the place a little better than you found it as much as you can, and to respect the earth in your celebration. So when the host says, hey, let's bring feast gear and everyone should have their own feast gear, then they're talking about you bringing items that you can use to serve yourself food and to share food with others. So my partner and I have a feast kit, and the feast kit is called Excellent Feast Gear for Two. Notice it's in a sealable tub, and I'll talk about that, even though it is plastic, but I'll talk about the advantages of that in a moment. So what do we keep in our feast gear kit here? 2 bowls, 2 plates, 2 cups, and a whole suite of utensils. Right? 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 knives, and a pickle spoon because pickles. 2 napkins that can be washed and reused and also used as a washcloth or to wipe up spills or messes. We also like to always have garbage bags so that we can leave the place cleaner than we found it. And because we used our feast gear kit when we go on picnics, we bring along salt and pepper. You don't want to get somewhere and someone has fresh garden tomatoes and you're like, no salt. Well. And speaking of fresh garden tomatoes and maybe some melons or other fruit, a knife is helpful. And items we like to always have on hand just to make sure that all avenues are covered is a bottle opener corkscrew combination, a surface to use the knife on so you don't mess up someone's table or have to cut on the ground or on top of your tub, and very important, an ornament. All right, this pig has come with us, has been rescued from a graveyard in Magdalena, New Mexico. So pig is always with us. All right, and then we have the tub. The value of the tub, so the items that we have are so that 2 people can enjoy a meal regardless of what's on offer. And sometimes we can rinse off a plate and offer it to someone else who forgot to bring theirs. The value of the tub is that you can put your dirty dishes in it, seal it up. You don't have to deal with them until you get home and you're ready to wash. Or if there's fresh water available, you can use the tub and one of the napkins and actually rinse off your dishes there. Other people have different feast gear ideas. You may want a mug for coffee or tea if it's a ritual at the time of day when that would be appropriate. Some people insist on having wine glasses with them. Some people like to have chopsticks or other types of utensils. So just a very compact, versatile set of utensils that you can use to enjoy the feast. That's what's meant by what is feast gear. Okay, so quick overview here. Here's what you might think of including: plate, bowl, and cup, fork, spoon, and other utensils, reusable napkins, knife, bottle opener, or corkscrew, garbage bag. You have to get your own pig. They don't come automatically with these things. And really, at the very simplest, just go in your kitchen, find something, you know, that's non-breakable or something you wouldn't mind if it gets chipped or cracked, and stick it in a bag, a plate, a bowl, and a cup, and you're good to go. The other things are optional, but certainly helpful. So all of this is what is meant by what is feast gear. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will be seeing you at the next event.